topic is article. An article is a sustained piece of writing. It deals with a particular topic. It requires a lot of knowledge and good vocabulary. It also needs a keen observation of environment, people, places and major events to write an article. First, suitable material is collected and then this material is composed and arranged in a systematic way. Now, how to write an article? First, collect the material. So, first understand the topic under consideration. Read the topic carefully so that you come to know the main focus of the topic. Then collect the relevant material. The main sources of the material are books, newspapers, magazines and other articles. Next, planning and arrangement. Planning and arrangement. After selecting the material, make a proper planning. Arrange the material in such a way as we can make an impressive article. Pick out the most important points first and place other points according to their value. Next, rough draft. Make a rough draft. After collecting and arranging the material, go through the rough draft and make suitable changes. Next, final draft. Read the rough draft and find out the grammatical mistakes, if any. Look into the matter with a cool head. Is there any scope for improvement? If there is a scope, bring those changes. See if your article is properly planned. Parts of an article. First, title. The title of the article should be brief and catchy. It should be suggestive and thought-provoking. Second, body. The body of an article should be like the body of an organism. It should have a beginning, a middle and an appropriate ending. Third, ending. The ending of article should be quite clear and satisfying. Now, one example is here. Indoor games are popular but not very useful. Write an article on the value of outdoor games. You are Nikhil Neha. Firstly, you will give the title Value of Outdoor Games. Neha. These days, the students are very fond of indoor games like video games and other games played on the computer. But they ignore the value of outdoor games. Outdoor games are the need of the day. Indoor games have given birth to many serious problems like obesity, high blood pressure, diabetes, etc. We have to make outdoor games popular. First, excessive burden of studies has to be reduced. The students should have spare time to play these games. Secondly, the period of physical education should be made compulsory and effective. Playground should be made available at short distances where the students can play these games. I hope that these outdoor games will produce students with strong bodies and minds. So let us popularize outdoor games among the students. Now, your homework is you are pained to see the people wasting water. Write an article urging the people to save water as water is life. Thank you.